Hello everyone, I'm Faith. I'm a grade 12 student at St. Mary's Catholic Secondary School, and I am one of the core leaders for our Unity/Black History Committee Club. Ideas that we've been implementing in our schools to represent Black excellence is we've been playing music on the announcements daily for the last 15 minutes before class starts, just to get people into the mood and to even expose them to new cultures and ethnicities and kind of a way to represent the diversity in our school. Also, we've been doing daily videos that we're sending to teachers for them to play in the morning for their students, which talk about some influential Black people in our society that can hopefully encourage or empower other students, to either follow in their footsteps or find in their own unique way to implement inclusiveness and diversity and Black excellence in the world, both in the present and in the future. And also at the end of the week on Fridays, we are doing kind of a Kahoot in Microsoft Forms as a way for students to actually retain the knowledge that we've been telling them and to actually feel included in what we're doing throughout our school. Even though we have made some progress, there is some, ways we need to improve more further. You can always make improvements in the future, especially since, our society and our world is changing so drastically at such a fast pace. But I feel like the efforts that we're making right now is a way for students to understand that St. Mary's does find Black History Month and Black excellence important to our school board. We just want to make sure that students feel included, students feel that they're wanted and that they're represented in all aspects of our community. The steps that I feel like Durham Catholic can take is they can implement the significance of Black excellence more throughout their educators and their teachers, because I feel if the teachers find it important that Black excellence is if teachers understand that it's so important for students of all ethnicities and races to find the importance of Black excellence, then attitudes can change. Less people can be ignorant about the situations that are occurring in our world every single day. So really, I would just like to see Durham Catholic just inform more and implement either workshops or kind of any types of activities to inform educators, to inform teachers, to inform all people throughout the school board, so it can be a safer, more inclusive place for everybody that steps into our buildings. In regards to a community of faith, I do come from a Christian/Catholic household, so faith has always been very important in my house. It's always been encouraged to build a great relationship with God, and I find that very important for me, and I would like others to find the importance in that too. So I feel like if we want to build a community of faith, that we just need to encourage and make others feel secure in their religion and their spirituality, and to not let them face any type of discrimination for any of their beliefs, and to just help them work through any troubles or struggles. And if that leads to them asking for advice from God or from a higher being, then it should be encouraged. Something that's made me proud to go here is really the relationships and connections that I've made with my peers and some of the teachers. Unfortunately, some of the teachers that I had here in my earlier years in grade 9s and 10s aren't here, but they'll always be in my heart. The time that we spent together will always stay with me. And I've really been able to grow as a person and find out more who I am and what I like, what I don't like. In terms of my peers, I've made some of the best relationships. I've made some of the closest relationships with the people I've been here. I've recognized the importance in what I want. I've learned how to kind of be a helping hand towards other people, because once you're in high school, you're exposed to so many different stories, so many different experiences. So I just take that and I learn from that and I apply it to my own life and maybe what I would do in that situations or how I can help in those situations. So I feel like Essentially just high schools made me grow. High schools made me evolve, and I'm very thankful for that. So I would say that I just want to encourage students to be more active in their school community, because even though it can be discouraging, I do have my own discouraging moments. You just have to think about, like, if you don't take that leap forward, if you don't take that step, then that can discourage others from taking that step, meaning the cycle is still going to continue and no change is going to be implemented. So really just take a chance on yourself, make your voice be heard, make your voice be counted, because, you know, every opinion matters. It can always build up to something new. You can always create something that you never thought of before. So I would just say take a chance on yourself, take action, be involved in your school board, in your school, because you can do things that you never imagined before. You just need to have faith and hope in yourself. So, yeah.